Hello students, welcome back to your English online class. So in chapter lesson number 10 we study about we learn the story about travels with the dragon, and here is a short poem, the continuation of the same chapter, travels with a dragon. Okay, so and the name of this poem is Megan the Bad Tempered Dragon. Okay, uh, which is the poet name of the poet of this poem is Peter Canville. Okay, you can see in the next page the name of the poet. Okay, once there was a dragon, a bad tempered dragon. Once there was a dragon, bad tempered dragon. Megan, the name was his name, and the name of that dragon is Megan. Okay, lived inside a cavern on the top of a mountain. People could see his smoke and flames. So that Megan named dragon used to lived in a cavern. And cavern means, you can see the meaning of cavern means cave. Okay, so on the top of the mountain people could see the flames, and people could see his flames smokes. Okay, Megan the dragon, the bad tempered dragon, liked eating cows and bulls and sheep. Megan named dragon liked to eat cows, bulls and sheep. Okay, cows, bulls and sheep. And all through the daytime he had such a daytime. All day he had such a gay time. Gay time means enjoyable time. But when night came, he could not sleep. Okay, why he could not sleep? When in daytime he had such a enjoyable time, but when night came, he did not sleep. Speaky back and long tail. So he have speaky means sharp projecting points, and long tail. He have Megan named dragon has a speaky back and a long tail. A body of green scales. Scales means this horny, brawny plates on the skin. Okay, Megan had such an appetite, a desire to satisfy a bodily need. Okay, so that Megan named dragon has a spiky back and a long tail, a body of green scales. Megan had such an appetite. Appetite means a desire to satisfy of bodily need. Okay, and when he felt hungry, he roamed down the valley, swallowed the cattle with one bite. Okay, so he has a desire to satisfy. When Megan had such an appetite, means had a desire to satisfy his body. Okay, whenever he felt hungry, he roamed down the valley. He come to the valley. He lived in cave of the mountain top, but whenever he feel hungry, he came down to the valley and he swallowed the cattle with one bite. Swallowed means without chewing. Okay, without chewing, passed down to the throat. So whenever he feel hungry, he came down to the valley and he swallowed the cattle with one bite. Okay, so you can see here the name of the poet. Okay, so name of the poet. So in exam, this name of the poet will come. You have to write. Okay, don't forget to learn the meanings and name of the poet from the book. Okay, so this is the last. We complete the syllabus from this. This is the last chapter from our syllabus. So from today we finish all we complete our syllabus. Okay, so try to do all those homework, because afterwards only you will face problem, because you have to write all, you may all questions will come in your exam, so you have to do all those homework. Okay.